Hi, if you don't know how to use AI on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then go in Phone Settings. Here, scroll a bit down or up and find tab which is named Galaxy AI. Select it, and this is list of features which you can use. List of Galaxy AI features. Let's start with Call Assist. So you can get real-time translations during calls. Here you can see some instructions how to use this feature. And if you want to use it, then tap on this feature to see the status on. If you can see it like that, then simply tap it and it would be enabled. The next one is Writing Assist. So it helps us to organize and improve text you have written or selected text. You can use it too, and here you see this list for translation, composing, organizing text, create summaries, get grammar and spelling suggestions, and so on. So that is really cool feature, and make sure to enable it as well. You can also go in chat translation and enable this one as well. Here you can pick languages right now and go in Manage Apps and select all available apps. Now you can also enable suggested replies on your Galaxy Watch. And yep, let's go back and talk about Interpreter. So with this feature, we can simply translate conversations. And for that, you can also enable Tap to Talk if you want to, but basically this feature you can find if you swipe down from upper right corner, then swipe again, and here it is. Just tap Continue here, allow permissions, like that. Now you can download this language pack or cancel it, and basically this is your conversation mode. You can tap here, switch to listening mode. So this is really cool way how you can translate another person's language. And don't forget to choose languages here and voice styles. Now, another one is Note Assist. So with the help of this one, we can summarize notes, we can auto-format them, we can transcribe it, auto-generate covers, correct spelling and grammar, and also translate text, which is also pretty amazing. Make sure to enable it as well. And then you should see this stars icon, which is for AI, which you can tap, and here simply choose one of those 4 features. The next one is Transcript Assist. So you can use AI to create text, transcripts, summaries, and translations of your recordings. You can enable auto-detect language, go in Summarize Transcripts, and you can enable this one as well if you want to. And of course, pick Languages pack. The next one is Browsing Assist. So you can also summarize, translate something, read highlights aloud. So for that, let's open Samsung Internet, and you should see the stars icon as well. Tap it, and as you can see, we can summarize, translate, read highlights, and so on. Let's just try this out. I'm gonna tap here. Let's tap Summarize. And this is basically a summary of the whole web page. This is pretty cool as well. The next one is Photo Assist. So we can erase something on the picture, we can use sketch to image, draw something, and so on. So make sure to enable this one as well. So as you can see, we got this generative edit, we got sketch to image, and we got Portrait Studio. So let me quickly show you one of them, which would be sketch to image. Tap on stars. So just stars is for Galaxy AI. And here I choose sketch to image. Now let me try to draw a house. like that. And yeah, we need to tap it closer, draw it closer. Now let's start generate. So basically it will just generate me a picture of this sketch. And here it is. Really cute. We can save it or we can save copy. And this is how you can use your photo assist. The next one is drawing assist. This is nearly the same as photo assist. So here you can read this description. The next is audio eraser, so we can eliminate distracting noise in videos by adjusting the volume of voices, winds, and other sounds in video editor. So this one is pretty amazing as well. Now we also got photo ambient wallpaper with the help of AI. And now brief, so we can get a personalized briefing with suggested content and actions that change throughout the day. You can tap content to include, and here enable or disable something. Go back and also expand now brief without unlocking. And the last one is health assist, so we can get personalized insights and guidance based on health data. So here you need to tap Start and set up your Samsung Health. And yep, that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.